back at my trip, and this is what my jeans look like after I'm on. Look at all these awesome finds. I found was the Crystal Collector. Me. It has two sides. Oh my goodness. Mom, look. It didn't have one side missing.
Let me see.
So, what? What the heck is this? Next up, we're gonna wash these and iron out. Oh yeah. But first, we're gonna put them in the bucket. And then put some iron out and water in it. And then clean. We didn't need this crib anymore and then we found out, oh, it was so awesome for washing the rocks. See, none of the rocks will go through the screen. If you're wondering where I found this in Dallas.
Hold it up a little bit longer. I didn't get to see it. Wow, what is it?
Calcite.
Wow.
Why? Are you ready? Look at all these awesome finds we found. Do you see how this one is so clean? Remember how I was carrying this rock to Mom? And Mom said, and I said, can you take this? And she said, if you can get to me, this is the rock. There's that big crystal that probably caught your eye in the video.
Can you stand right there where you were? There you go. Oh, come closer. Right there.
Come on, get me to a giveaway. I want to do a giveaway.
Okay.
This video reaches 400 subscribers. I will give this away to one lucky viewer. If you have watched this video and you want this crystal, comment down below and tell me if you want it. If you haven't been to a crystal collector event, I highly recommend you do. Look at this crystal. It's like a handheld one. Do you see that little spot? You can do it like a handheld. Put your thumb there and it's like handheld. This one's not a crystal, it's broken, but it's so neat how it all shines. But look at this guy. Whoa. It's pink too. It almost looks like it has a little bit of rose quartz on it, doesn't it? Or maybe the same material that's in rose quartz got in this. And it formed a pink. Who knows? That's that big crystal that probably drawed your attention. And this kind of meat has like that little crystals running across and everything. What? Remember this double terminated that I said on the video? What? Look how clear that is. What? Look at this guy. This is one of the ones that I showed you was this guy, the double terminated. Look how clear that guy is. So big and nice. this guy. Ooh, what's that? Another crystal? I think it's interesting how there's a milky quartz and there's a quartz like this. If you want to know why some quartz are clear and some quartz are not clear, it's because the clear ones formed faster than the ones that are milky. Milky means white. Now that's pretty interesting.
Do you have a favorite crystal that you found?
If I had to pick one, it would probably be this one. Because it's like for your hand.
That's awesome, Jax. Oh, guess what? I'm going to give you a present, Jax. Guess what kind of present I'm going to get you?
A gift what?
Do you know how you can be like an exclusive member of the Crystal Collector YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a membership to that. So you'll have the exclusive access to his videos on YouTube, and you'll get to be a part of a special group. You'll have to get on my Facebook page to see it, but anytime you want to get on it and you're done with your schoolwork, you can jump on it and check it out. How about that?
Yeah. Thanks for watching. I like to end like that.
What? Awesome, Jax. So much fun.
It was so much fun digging with the Crystal Collector. If you've been to a Crystal Collector event, I hope you enjoyed digging with him. Until next time, keep digging.